So this video will be about the TI Nspire CX-CAS. CAS stands for Calculus Algebra System. And this is basically the competitor of TI-89, except it's made by the same company. So let me just give you a brief background. I have used this calculator with Calculus AB, Calculus BC, AP Statistics, as well as Physics, also on my SAT. And they're supported on all those different tests. Even though it looks very advanced, most tests still permit the use of this calculator. So let's take a look at some of the interesting stuff that you can do with it. So let's just do a graph function. So let's do so here's f1 of x. So let's do a sine of x, and you can see how quick it is to graph something like this. And let's see, so now I'm going to show you a statistics function. So here's a new document, and let's put some number. So at list and spreadsheet, we're going to just put some random number. Doesn't matter. I mean, it does matter. It's going to make the graph actually kind of weird. And we're going to label it. Just going to label it A, or A. Then let's create a new document. And this is the one that we're going to make a histogram, I believe. There it is. And we can put that into plot type and then make it a histogram, or make it a box plot, which is pretty cool as well. Now here so it can basically do anything that a TI-89 can do. The only exception was I believe it was a vector graph. I don't quite remember, but I think it can do it. I'm pretty sure it can do it after a new software update, but I might be wrong. So here are what makes this calculator really cool. You can actually load games on this. And I will have a link in the description that will take you to a tutorial if you're interested on how you can set it up, how you can put games on the Nspire. So here is 2048, one of the, I mean, it's an old game by now, I would say, but still an amazing game. But yeah, it works. It's blue right now, but that is that. The second game that I have is I have Aliens, but I wanted to show Flappy Bird. This also works fairly well. This game gets annoying, and that's the purpose of it. But anyway, guys, that is all the things that I need to say about this Nspire. And another thing that I want to talk about is that most teachers, when you're taking classes like calculus, will recommend that you buy TI-89 because they're familiar with the user interface. But I can assure you, I would go with the Nspire CX-CAS. There is a CX, but I would get the CAS for if you're taking calculus. But it's easy to use. You will figure it out. If you can use Windows or Mac operating system, it comes naturally to you, then this calculator will be just as simple. Thank you.